दोस्तों आज हम लोग ऑक्सफोर्ड करंट इंग्लिश ग्रामर के वॉइस का एक्सरसाइज 72 सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। 71 एक्सरसाइज का आंसर बुक में दिया हुआ है। नोबडी कैन डिफीट यू इफ यू आर अलर्ट। तो हो जाएगा यू कैन नॉट बी डिफीटेड इफ यू आर अलर्ट। यू कांट बी डिफीटेड if you are alert. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर वी शैल प्ले द मैच। तो इसका पैसिव वॉइस होगा दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर द मैच इज प्लेड बाय अस। बाय अस लगाएं तो भी सही, न लगाएं तो भी सही। थर्ड है शी रोट द लेटर एंड पोस्टेड इट। पैसिव वॉइस होगा द लेटर वॉज रिटन एंड पोस्टेड बाय हर। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है He saw the money and took it away. The money was seen and taken away by him. People always laugh at him because of his own follies. So he is always laughed at because of his own follies. Sixth है he cannot play because he has broken his leg. तो इसका पैसिव वॉइस होगा he cannot play because his leg has been broken. Seventh है the teacher will not beat you if you come in time. तो हो जाएगा You will not be beaten by the teacher if you come in time. Eighth number है I have sharpened the knives because I have to cut a number of sticks. इसका पैसिव वॉइस हो जाएगा The knives have been sharpened because a number of sticks have to be cut by me. Ninth number में है Someone has broken my pen so I cannot write with it. तो क्या बनेगा इसका पैसिव वॉइस My pen has been broken so it cannot be written with. 10th है he is going to school on foot because somebody has stolen his bicycle. तो इसका पैसिव वॉइस होगा he is going to school on foot because his bicycle has been stolen. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11th है रमेश knows it very well that nobody will help him. तो इसका पैसिव वॉइस होगा it is known to Ramesh very well that he will not be helped. 12th no one can eat fish unless someone cooks it. तो fish cannot be eaten unless it is cooked. 13th क्वेश्चन है as soon as the police saw the criminal they chased him. इसका पैसिव वॉइस होगा as soon as the criminal was seen he was chased by the police. Question number 14 at first they abused him then beat him. At first he was abused then beaten. 15th if we need a lot of money we must do something extraordinary. तो इसका पैसिव वॉइस होगा if a lot of money is needed something extraordinary must be done. 16th they asked him what he would do with the money. तो इसका होगा he was asked what would be done with the money या what would be done with the money was asked to him. 17th question they had beaten him up before they knew the truth. He had been beaten होना चाहिए ना he was beaten के जगह he had been beaten before the truth was known. Question number 18th we shall deposit the money in the bank so that no thief will steal it. The money will be deposited in the bank so that it will not be stolen. Question number 19th somebody has broken the glass and I cannot use it. The glass has been broken and it cannot be used by me. 20th how can I assure you that I shall help you in time of need. How can you be assured that you will be helped in time of need by me. Question number 21 है inform the police in case you feel any danger. ठीक है, पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म कीजिए अगर आपको कोई खतरा महसूस होता है तो हो जाएगा द पुलिस शुड बी इन्फॉर्म्ड इन केस एनी डेंजर इज फेल्ट. 21st क्लियर. चलिए आगे बढ़ते 22nd की ओर. दे से दैट ही विल कंप्लीट द वर्क इवन दो वी अपोज हिम. तो हो जाएगा ही इज सेड टू कंप्लीट द वर्क इवन इफ या इवन दो भी लगाते तो सही होता है इवन इफ भी. ठीक है, he is opposed. बायस कंपलसरी नहीं है, आप चाहें तो लगाएं चाहें तो उसको ड्रॉप कर दें तो भी सही रहेगा वाक्य. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 की तरफ चलते हैं। When I looked at her, I found that she too was looking at me. तो इसका पैसिव वॉइस होगा When she was looked at by me, it was found that I too was being looked at by her. By her कंपल्सरी नहीं है। 24th क्वेश्चन है Nobody knows what he is doing. तो हो जाएगा It was not known what he is doing ना, क्या था क्वेश्चन में? He is doing। अच्छा यहाँ पर was लिखा गया है, he was नहीं होगा, what is being done by him। ठीक है, या फिर ऐसे बना सकते हैं what is being done by him is not known, is not known। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 I should be told, सॉरी क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 में है टेल मी हाउ मच यू लव मी। ठीक है, तो आई शुड बी टोल्ड ये वाला पार्ट या तो आप पैसिव वॉइस में बना सकते हैं या छोड़ भी सकते थे, टेल मी भी रहने सकते थे, और हाउ मच यू लव मी होगा तो इसका पैसिव वॉइस हो जाएगा हाउ मच आई एम लव्ड। ठीक है, हालांकि इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया गया सिर्फ सेकंड क्लाउज को पैसिव वॉइस बनाने का। 26th क्वेश्चन क्या है? आई कैनॉट से हु हैज रिटन दिस पोएम। ठीक है, तो बाय हुम दिस पोएम हैज बीन रिटन कांट बी सेड, बाय मी कंपल्सरी नहीं है, आप चाहे तो लगाएं चाहे तो न लगाएं। 27th यू मस्ट नॉट इग्नोर व्हाट दे हैव सजेस्टेड यू। ठीक है, तो हो जाएगा व्हाट यू हैव बीन सजेस्टेड मस्ट नॉट बी इग्नोर्ड। 28th दे इन्फॉर्म्ड मी, तो हो जाएगा आई वॉज इन्फॉर्म्ड दैट somebody had taken my watch away, तो हो जाएगा my watch had been taken away from the box in which I had put it, तो हो जाएगा in which it had been put, in which it had been put। ठीक है, हो गया क्लियर। 29th देखिए 29th का क्वेश्चन क्या है? nobody would have harmed him, तो हो जाएगा he would not have been harmed। हो गया, he would not have been harmed। if है तो if लगा देंगे, फिर क्या होगा? they had warned him, तो he had been warned of the danger। क्लियर है ये 29th। 30th देखिए they will award the boys who have saved the life of the little child, the boys by whom the life of the little child has been saved will be awarded। बहुत सिंपल था। लास्ट the teacher punished Ram, तो Ram was punished by the teacher, Ram was punished by the teacher। आप लगाएं तो भी सही है, ना लगाएं तो भी सही। ठीक है, यहां पर आप लगा दे सकते हैं। because all the boys said that, तो हो जाएगा it was said by all the boys, by all the boys लिखना कंपलसरी नहीं है, आप लिखे तो भी सही ना लिखे तो भी सही। ठीक है, that he had made noises in the class। ठीक है, तो noises had been made by him in the class, ये in the class छूट गया था, इसको आप लगाते हैं। ठीक है, ये रहा 72nd का पैसिव वॉइस मैंने बता दिया, 71st का बुक में एक्सरसाइज में दिया हुआ है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।